All right, so this Texas headline has gone national, and now we have more information on that murder trial in North Texas, as a judge has now issued a gag order in the case of Karmelo Anthony.
Yeah, the track star is accused of stabbing a fellow athlete to death at a track meet in Frisco back in April. Peyton Yeager with our sister station in Dallas has more.
In a newly obtained gag order, Collin County Judge John Roach cites extensive pretrial publicity as a serious risk to its fairness. The trial for Karmelo Anthony set for June 1st next year. Anthony charged with first-degree murder. Police say Anthony stabbed Austin Metcalf during a dispute at a Frisco track meet in April. Anthony previously claimed self-defense to officers on scene. Tuesday, we spoke to Russell Wilson, an attorney not associated with this case.
And it tries to preserve the party's right to have a fair trial and for all the evidence to come out in the trial of the case.
This gag order now bars attorneys, witnesses, law enforcement officers, courthouse staff, and spokespersons involved in this case from talking about the case publicly. The organization Next Generation Action Network has previously spoken on behalf of the Anthony family. Tuesday, Next Gen released a statement acknowledging the judicial gag order, writing in part, "We remain focused on our advocacy mission, ensuring that Karmelo Anthony's rights are upheld." The gag order also extends to family members. Both families have also made prior public statements since the stabbing.
In the past, there's been kind of competing statements released by both sides, and so I don't think it's necessarily a surprise to see that. One of the things that potential jurors are asked is, have they seen media coverage of a case and whether or not that impacts how they view the case.
A key question the court will have to vet before trial next summer, which will be in Collin County. In the gag order, the judge also stated that changing the venue would be inadequate, as the case has garnered attention nationwide. Meanwhile, in this pretrial phase, today was the deadline for Frisco ISD to hand over personal information of the high school witnesses who were at the track meet. Usually, student information is federally protected, but the district received a lawful subpoena last week, which takes precedence. The same Collin County judge who issued the gag order also recently issued a protective order of this personal information. Information like students' date of birth and addresses will now be private in a secure court file.